And let's get our bain marie ready. Now, bain marie literally means Marie's bath, but it's a water bath in which we bake custards. I like to line it with a cloth. If it was a bigger baking dish, I'd use a tea towel. This is just an old serviette. And we're just going to put our ramekins in there. Now, you could use 2 1-cup ramekins or 4 half-cup ramekins. Depends how many you're cooking for and how hungry you are. I'm going to do 4 smaller ones. They're in there. The cloth helps stabilise it and also moderates the heat. We're going to pour boiling water all around it and pop it in the oven once the caramel's in there. So we'll space our ramekins out as evenly as possible and just carefully pour the boiling water into the baking dish so that it comes about halfway up the sides of the ramekins, or in this case about halfway up the sides of the baking dish. So we don't want to spill that when we put it in the oven. Now at Red Lantern they steam these custards. Not so easy in a home kitchen, so we're going to half steam, half bake. We're going to cover it with foil so that it steams a little bit while it's baking. You might just punch a couple of holes in there so the steam can escape with the wooden skewer that we'll later use to test when it's ready. Okay, into the oven and we'll check on it after about half an hour.